To integrate Afterpay with WooCommerce, start by installing the Afterpay plugin from the WordPress plugin directory or by uploading the plugin files to your WordPress site. Once installed, activate the plugin and navigate to the WooCommerce settings page. Click on the Payments tab and select Afterpay as the payment method. You will need to configure the Afterpay settings, including your merchant ID, secret key, and other relevant details. These can be obtained from your Afterpay merchant account. After configuring the settings, you will need to set up the payment gateway. This involves specifying the payment methods you want to offer, such as Pay in 4 or Pay in 30 days. You can also customize the payment button and other elements to match your site's branding. Next, you will need to configure the checkout settings. This includes specifying the minimum and maximum order totals for Afterpay, as well as the countries where Afterpay is available. You can also customize the checkout flow to include additional information, such as terms and conditions. To test the integration, create a test order and select Afterpay as the payment method. You will be redirected to the Afterpay payment page, where you can complete the payment. Once the payment is successful, the order will be updated in WooCommerce. Best practices for Afterpay WooCommerce integration include ensuring that your site is secure and compliant with relevant regulations, such as GDPR and PCI DSS. You should also regularly update the plugin and WooCommerce to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Afterpay with WooCommerce and offer your customers a seamless and secure payment experience. This will help to increase conversions and reduce cart abandonment rates, ultimately driving more sales and revenue for your business.